Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you some embellishments that I made using some mixed Maggie Home collection. I'm going to start with this layered, I think this is from Chasing Dreams. I just fussy cut it from the paper and layered this die cut rosette, and then a barcode right here, some punched flowers, and then the butterfly I also fussy cut. I thought this would be so cute on top of a package or a tiny gift bag perhaps. That would be so cute, because I am joining a Maggie Home swap in Instagram. So this is what I'm going to be sending to my partner. This is just an envelope that I put tickets and layers of paper in, and then put a sentiment and then some flowers. It's very spacious. It can accommodate anything, like a gift card or a letter. Thought that was so cute. Here's a stick using a Sunny Days collection. My favorite paper bow punch that I got from Stampin' Up. And this pom-pom is from Daiso. I just layered the barcode tabs, and I thought that was so cute. Here's a smaller version of it, but this is using a toothpick. So that's that. And then I made some cloud. This is a stitched cloud die. I think I got it from AliExpress. So very simple cloud embellishment. Here's another one. It has a little bit more color to it. And I love putting sentiments on all of my embellishments. I think it's very cute. Here's another one from Flourish. And the sentiment is definitely from the Willow collection. Here's, I tried to do the crepe paper, frilled paper layer. So this is my attempt to do that. I thought it turned out cute. This would be great for packaging as well, that I'm going to be adding. Here's good use of your strips tag, the strips that's in the 6x6x8, like the strips that are up top. And I just layered it, put a little bit of die cut in here and put the sentiment. I also made some paper bows using my Stampin' Up punch. Here's another one. It's cream with gold specks. I just used some scrap piece of papers. I thought that was something cute to give away. I'm also going to be adding some stitched clouds, and then she can decorate it how she likes. Right there. Simple white one. And here's another use of your barcodes, guys. And then I'm going to leave it blank so she can put her own sentiments to it. Here's a banner punched embellishment. And this is just a simple paper cluster. I just layered them all. I layered the tickets and then put some houses and then layered it with an embellishment. I thought that was simple and beautiful at the same time. Here's another quick layered paper cluster look. So I hope you got inspired by these embellishments. I hope it inspired you to use your crafty stash today, and I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching. Comment down below if you have any questions for me, and stay crafty. Have a wonderful crafty day, guys. This is Christian signing off. Bye.